on the kickoff of the new high school football season. The focus is on the field. Though outdoors, many chose to mask up, while others kept their distance. Some didn't mind getting back to that sense of normal at Grimsley High School. On Monday, GCS kids will head back to the classroom. Some parents who didn't want to be on camera told me they don't like the mandatory mask policy, but not everyone feels that way.
I think it should be mandatory.
Jane Billings, a former teacher, says it's key.
The science is there to support that, and I feel like if we're going to be educators, we have to go with the science.
That stance shared with experts across the country and the state. The CDC states with rapidly accelerating viral transmission and the increased contagiousness of the Delta variant, their newest guidance pushes for universal indoor masking in all K through 12 schools, regardless of vaccination status. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends universal masking as well. Here in North Carolina, a study from a group of doctors who researched transmission of COVID in schools for a year showed masks are the essential tool to drastically limit the spread of the virus in the classroom. Dr. Ibukan Kalu was part of that group. In addition to keeping kids safe, mandatory masking keeps them in school.
If you do not have a mask on, there is no possible way we can say that after an exposure, you have a low risk of spread, because that's not what we've seen. So if the students do not have a mask on, they will be required to quarantine. And we go back to some of the issues we saw last year with the starting and stopping of in-person education.
Universal masking reduces the number of students and staff that have to quarantine if they've been exposed to someone who tests positive at school.